February 16th. We are headed out to go help some friends that have slid off into a wash in a Bronco, and she's asked for some help to learn how to use her recovery gear to help her friend get unstuck. So we're going to take the time, go spend a couple hours with them, and show them how to use their stuff. These ladies are super cool. I mean, how awesome is it? They're out here in some Broncos, playing in the rocks, playing in the sand, pre-running some trails for the upcoming events. So we're gonna go help them out. It's like, it's crazy. It's mid-February. It's at 52 degrees right now, and there's no snow here in Vernal. So crazy, absolutely crazy winter. But anyway, we're gonna go give them a hand, have a good time. And we're here with Shay. Shay, come on. Hey. She wrangled up some friends from Utah County, and they got themselves into a tiny predicament, nothing crazy, but they just came off a little two passenger in this big wash. One made it, one didn't. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the time and we're gonna show Shay how to get this thing done, because these girls have all the right tools to make this happen. So we're gonna help Shay out. We're gonna get it done.
Sweet.
Okay, Shay. Okay. So same thing, but again. Hey, how you doing? It's the only way to learn, right? Yep. So, Emily, right?
Yep.
I want you to put it in reverse. Are you in 4 low or 4 high?
Low.
Perfect. So, what you're going to do, as soon as I tell you to, I don't want you to floor it, but I want you to give it some gas and try to move, right? And you're basically going to start moving, and then you're going to gather up a little bit of speed so you got enough momentum to pop her out. And if it doesn't happen on the first try, it's absolutely fine. Again. Oh, you got this. So one thing I want to tell you too, go ahead and put your seatbelt on, because if she doesn't move, it's going to want to put your in the steering wheel.
Okay, so what do I need to be in?
4 low.
Nope.
You got this, girl. You got it. I promise you. So you're going to want to turn passenger. Okay, come forward some.
Do I like turn my wheel? Do I not?
Just where your at's good.
I'm gonna.
A little bit, just push your podium some. Look right there. Okay. So, Emily, I want you to give it some gas in reverse. Okay? Just a little bit. Okay, now just you're going to take off driving and go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Okay, hold on a sec, Shay.
Hold on, Em, stop.
Yep. Okay, Shay, go ahead and come back.
Emily, put your brake on.
Okay, you stay there.
My brake is on.
Keep
Okay.
coming back. Oh, hold on a sec, Shay. Okay, keep coming back, Shay. Keep coming, keep coming. Whoa. Okay, so, same thing you're doing, like it's perfect. Okay, Shay, like I said, you're just going to want to drive through, right? So you're just going to want to turn more passenger, and you're just going to want to take off and go. Okay, Emily,
Am I gonna hit those rocks?
Hold on a second.
You're fine. He'll go right up over him.
Okay, now just drive, Shay. Go, 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 go. Whoa, hold on, girl. Hold on. Okay, back up, Shay. Keep coming back. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Whoop. Okay. A little bit more commitment, Shay. She's pretty stuck in the sand, so you're gonna have to really take off and go. Okay?
I'm just getting stuck on that rock.
Yep, but you're gonna pop up and over it.
Do I need any lockers or anything?
You can if you want to put your rear in.
No, that's the wrong way.
Good?
Yeah.
Okay, Emily, go ahead and give it some gas. Okay, Shay, take off and go. Go, 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 go. Hey, whoa, whoa, whoa. Woohoo!
Right there. Stop, stop, stop.
Good.
Nope, you're driving over his rope.
He's
So
fine.
there you go.
That's piece of
Forward a little
rope
bit.
Anyway. Right there. Emily.
Perfect, Meg.
You're good. Look at that. Ta-da. What did I hear the beep?
Way to
What
go.
was the beep about?
My arm hit it.
I was wondering the same thing. What was the beep?
It was my extra gas, guys.
Yeah, see, it wasn't that bad. Only one way to learn.
There you go, camera.
So,
Go. You did all the work. Shit.
what do you think, Emily?
It was good.
You did want to do it, right?
Yeah.
And you did.
Yeah.
And you killed it.
Yep.
And Shay was worried about nothing.
I was totally not worried about anything. Nope.
So what's the first thing you're gonna buy, Shay?
Tow rope.
Yeah, she's
Actually, a winch?
Oh well, I mean, this is way cheaper than a winch. But
Okay.
anyway, I think the girls did great. We're gonna get the tow rope unhooked, show them the right way out of here so they can carry on their day, and
Hopefully not get stuck.
they will not get stuck. Because if they do,
I don't
they
have a tow
know
rope.
they know what to do, but they know what to do, right? So that's the important part. Well, we got them out and headed back on the Moonshine Arch Trail. Great group of girls, just out having some fun. One thing I want to tell you guys is remember, when you come across people like this that are stuck and they're trying to learn, take the time. Take the time to give them the knowledge they need to be safe and learn to do it on their own. Those girls seem super excited to learn, and that's what it's all about. So anyway, until next time, be safe, guys. See ya.